Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I'm running out of sunscreen, so I picked these two up from Costco online. Last I did this with Round Lab. It had broad spectrum written on there, which is an American formulation, but compared to these, no broad spectrum, says PA+++, so I got some high hopes. They were $32. I occasionally see them on sale for $8 off. So the price is pretty average for a good Korean, Japanese sunscreen. Gonna get a little closer look before I start putting them on. Let's give it a good go. Initial smells are pretty different. So the blue one, floral, perfume, flowery smell. This one, more similar to the other Korean sunscreens I've used, Beauty of Joseon, Round Lab. Centella has this yogurty, very light probiotic smell compared to this one. Has a stronger perfumey smell. It's still very light. I would happily wear this, but this is the one that I am normally used to, the lighter probiotic smell. They are feeling pretty good, not too greasy, and yeah, definitely prefer this smell. This one is the oddball out. Most Korean, Japanese sunscreens I've used are lighter smelling like the green one. Gonna give this a few more seconds and try to get that comparison. I think the green one is drying a little quicker compared to the blue one, has a little more glossy shine to it. So currently, not sure if that's picking up on camera. I do prefer the green one based purely off smell. Let's try these on in the bathroom on the face to see if we get a difference. It's been about a couple more minutes. These are fully dry. They feel very similar. Don't have a strong preference for either, but let's try them on the face. I was doing blue here, so I will put the blue one on this hand. For over here, this hand was working on green. All right. Now we're gonna do, they feel very similar. I'm still gonna purchase in the future based off of price. If they are the same price, I do prefer the green one because it smells a little bit nicer and it's marketed as non-comedogenic, comedogenic, and supposedly the green one is also reef friendly. In terms of feel, they feel pretty similar on the face. Way better than any American sunscreen. The formulations are just based off of FDA approval from the 1970s and very greasy and oily American sunscreen products that I don't think I'll ever use after trying Korean and Japanese sunscreens. I thought this would be a more complicated video, but pretty simple because they feel very similar. Video 308 done.